Sometimes the difference between darkness and dignity is just one form, one visit, one act of reaching out. There are thousands of households across Johannesburg where candles still replace light bulbs, where warmth is a struggle and switching on a kettle feels like a luxury.
Today re tlile mo re le tshwaretse ditaba tse mnati tse tswa ko masepala wa lona wa Tlakase City Power. Re fisana ka tlakase wa mahala ke tlakase wa 50 kilowatts ya di units ka kgwedi, and then again re tlo make sure gore le 200 service fee ele ne re la ipatela a we patele. So re tlile mo ko orphanage home because of ra tseba gore most of lona le batho ba bagolo ene le gola grant. Understand? Yeah, it tlhalosa gore ra tseba gore bongata ba lona a le afford go reka tlakase ka tsela e le ba tlo reka ka yona. That is why really more today.
City Power's free basic electricity is not just about service. It's a lifeline for those who need it most. But here's the truth. We can't help if we don't know you need us.
Oh, hi. Ke nna mme Alina. Ke dula mona Park Cottage mona Bedrams.
I'm Claudette Adenong, 15 times Road Bertrams.
Ke fihle mona ka 2014 ke tlo dula mona na.
We just like to say thank you City Power for the free units.
Ho ba re itumetse haholo ke ketswe ba etsang hore ba ne ba re hopole because a re khole tšhelete e ngata. Ha o reka electric ka mona o reka bo dijo o etsang ha o kgone ho phumella.
If you qualify, if you're struggling, or if you know someone who is, come forward, register, and let us bring the light back into your home. Because no one should have to live in the dark, not when help is this close. City Power, free basic electricity, because everyone deserves the power to live and the dignity that comes with it.